The frozen realm of the soul, a shift in mindset. The chilling of the soul often arises from the indifferent influences of our surroundings and the external world. The harsh reality and icy interpersonal relationships seem to freeze our hearts, leaving us with an indescribable sense of spiritual coldness. To address this feeling, the only way is to change our mindset. By altering our way of thinking, we can find direction and motivation in this frozen world. It's not about escaping reality but rather seeking warmth within the coldness, using the sunlight of the soul to melt the icy barriers. Changing our mindset also has the power to influence the apathy and ruthlessness around us. We become agents of change, melting the coldness of others with warmth and understanding. In this process, we not only find inner motivation but also transform the chilly atmosphere that surrounds us. Therefore, when the soul feels frozen, consider approaching it with a new mindset. The shift in thinking is like a ray of warmth, capable of dissolving the coldness, and allowing us to find the spring of the soul in a world of indifference.